In this video, we will talk about the importance of managing your online reputation. Hi, my name is Curtis Boyd and I'm here to talk to you today about online reputation management. It's important to keep a positive image on social media, but how do you maintain this? Online reputation is a new buzzword that many businesses and even individuals are talking about. It refers to your online presence, what's said about you on social media, forums, blogs, etc. Your online reputation is important because it has an impact on the decisions of people who know nothing else about you as well as those who have no clue whether they can trust you or not. If something bad happens to you after a transaction with someone, if there are any disputes regarding quality, quantity of products and services sold, or in case someone tries to tarnish your image when looking for information related to yourself, this all will be reflected on your business's online reputation. It doesn't matter whether you have just started your business or are a veteran in the industry, managing your online reputation is an integral part of running a successful company. Not only that, but it is also crucial for any business to know what their customers think about them and how they can improve on things like customer service. In today's digital world, it's easy to believe that you are in control of your online reputation. And while there may be some merit to this assumption, the reality is much different from what we would like it to be. In fact, many businesses have no idea who they are dealing with when they interact with customers online. Objection.co is an online reputation service that helps you fight negative reviews, track your online reputation and monitor potential threats to your business reputation. Objection.co has a team of experts that will help you remove the bad content about you, improve existing listings on Google and ensure that new ones are positive. Objection.co is working with hundreds of businesses across the world in all industries and regions. Objection.co is a reputation recovery service powered by artificial intelligence. It helps people stand up in an unfair environment. Visit Objection.co now.